In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add sound in TikTok. It's going to be a quick and easy process, so let's get straight into it. Firstly, go ahead and select the video that you want to add in the sound. Tap on this plus on the bottom and then tap on upload to select the photo or the video. After you do that, you land on this interface. Now you can tap on add sound on the top and choose any sound that you want. Tap on the sound and a tick mark will appear. You'll need to tap on the tick mark and the sound will be added to your video. Now when you post this TikTok on your profile, other people who view this TikTok would also be able to hear the sound that you've added. Subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful, and also turn on the notifications if you want to see more of these contents. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.